Hey, guys! Welcome back to our channel. Did you know that fresh herbs can take your cooking skills to a whole new level? Yes, that's right. Today, we're going to talk about how you can grow your very own indoor herb garden and elevate your culinary experience. Having an indoor herb garden not only adds a pop of green to your living space but also provides you with fresh herbs right at your fingertips. Imagine the convenience of snipping off some basil or rosemary whenever you need it for your dishes. It's a game changer. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Let's address the challenges of growing herbs indoors. Limited space and lighting issues can make it tricky to maintain a thriving herb garden. But worry not, we've got some tips and tricks up our sleeves to help you overcome these obstacles. Exploration/development. First things first, choosing the right herbs for indoor growing is crucial. Opt for herbs like mint, basil, and parsley that thrive in indoor environments. When it comes to containers, make sure they have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Use a well-draining soil mix to ensure your herbs' roots stay healthy and happy. Climax/key moment. Proper care techniques are essential for the success of your indoor herb garden. Water your herbs when the top inch of soil feels dry, but be careful not to overwater. Prune regularly to promote bushier growth, and don't forget to harvest your herbs frequently to encourage new growth. With these techniques, you'll have a flourishing herb garden in no time. Conclusion/summary. To wrap things up, let's recap the key points we've covered. Growing your own indoor herb garden is not only rewarding but also surprisingly easy. With the right herbs, containers, soil mix, and care techniques, you'll enjoy the freshness and flavor of homegrown herbs in your dishes. Call to action, CTA. So, what are you waiting for? Share your own herb growing experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy herb gardening!